Lahat ng tatanungin ni TM Shane is about dun sa ET, di ba po? Or about the class?
This one. I showed you this, right? These are the questions.
Yes po.
Yeah, it's a
Itong
combination.
yellow.
It's a
Okay.
combination of everything. Like, just to ensure that when you're going to start as a new GE teacher, it's going to be seamless as possible. Of course, it's going to be your maybe first few classes,
Mhm.
but siguro the less problem or issue that can be encountered, the better, right? So the purpose of this is for you to have the most number of NL classes. So we started with your profile. I checked that.
Mhm.
TM Shane has a copy already. And then PC audio. This one is self-explanatory. Am I right?
Yes po.
Yeah. So I ask you, what's your question from this? Because I already told you that this will be the possible questions,
Mhm.
and you had some files, correct,
Okay po.
of the former Q&A of TM Shane. So the
Mm.
question is, what's your question?
Okay.
Mm.
Eto TM, sige, I'll go with ano na lang kasi ni-review ko yung is yung ET ano, blah blah blah. But anyway, here.
You want to share
Um
your screen or what?
um okay na lang po ako dito TM. Nakita ko naman yung sinend mo.
Okay.
Yung sa here, dito sa please tell me all the rewards you can get in our company. What
Which
are
one?
they?
Which part is it?
Nandito sa what is this po? Orientation training, quality checklist of ano to? Of new teachers.
I'm sharing my screen, Teacher Rexy. Which part is it? You tell me if it's I'm going to scroll up or scroll down.
Okay po. Okay. Scroll, dito muna. Diyan na lang po muna tayo, TM.
Okay.
So, why your profile is important? This is to attract students po, di ba? This is to
Yeah,
attract students enrolling to your
because
class.
um for every GE teacher and student, one student will be given 3 to 4 teachers, if I believe so, if I remember correctly. But so there
Mhm.
will be choices. Then they will choose from the profile. That's why profile is very important.
Right.
Mm.
So, what should you do first before you admit the student into your meeting room?
Alam mo na
Oh,
yan. Kasi IELTS
yes.
speaker ka.
Yeah. Click on admit lang to, di ba, TM?
Yes, yes.
Mhm. As for
So
recording, yes, we can.
make sure that you know the time that you enter VooV, right? How many minutes?
On the 59th or 58th?
No, no. Who said so? Who told you that? Ano yung announcement ko sa GC?
At
What
zero
time should
zero?
you? No,
Oh, ko masyado nabasa yun.
it should be 3 minutes before the class time.
57th. Okay.
Hindi ano ha, 57, parang 57 and 30 seconds.
Mhm.
Wag ganon. You must
Exact
ensure it's,
57th.
yes.
Okay po.
So, 60 seconds times 3.
Mhm. Okay, so do you know, okay, alam ko na to. Change the background, share screen, okay.
How
Who will
about,
read your
sorry, what,
teaching
how
style
about,
answer?
what time do you must end and complete the class?
Within 50 minutes, so on 50th to 55th minute,
Yes, you must
right?
already complete.
Okay.
So, let's say you had a power interruption. What will you
Mhm.
do
Advise
if
the
that happened? Hmm?
advise the TA for power interruption. And if you have a backup, try to use the backup immediately. But if there's no backup, then inform TA. or
No.
canceled? Hmm?
Backup is a requirement,
Right,
teachers.
yes.
It's a requirement. So what
Yes.
happens to the class that's supposed to be completed and the class notes, etc., especially if it's an EP?
Everything should be saved.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So, but then, nawalan ka nga ng power. That's my question.
Right.
What are you supposed to do?
Inform the TA right away. No, hindi ka na makapag-inform nun.
Tama ka na, you're in the right track. You
Oh,
must connect to your backup and then what?
mm-hmm. Inform the TA about the problem, then go back to the student on a very short span of time, as much as possible.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And
And
then,
yeah, apologize with this. I apologize to the student and continue as is.
yes, compensate
And
if you must.
yes, extend the
Mm-hmm.
class. Okay.
And then you must complete it.
Yes po.
Kasi nawalan ka nga ng power, right? I mean, let's
Mm-hmm.
say you're done, but nagka-power interruption. So, paano yung class completed, right?
Right.
So, basically, uh, by the way, you finished your demo, right? And you
Mm-hmm.
just know how to save the class notes. But
Yes
how
po.
do you uh, complete the class? It will be in itongzuo.com.
Mm-hmm.
You know that website. You
Right.
open your credentials, and then that's where you can save and complete. I'll show it to
Mm-hmm.
you later after nito. Remind me, please.
Magkaiba yung website nito,
Correct.
TM?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
So
kumbaga,
who?
dun sa baba ng recording, meron kang i-click na complete, save.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Remind me to show it to you later.
Okay po. So okay na to. Oh, this one. If you want to teach job interview or postgraduate interview, what should you do first? I should.
You have this na teaching style, strength, right?
Yes po.
Ano pa?
Itong number 9,
Number
sorry.
9.
If you want to teach job interview
Ah,
or postgraduate interview.
actually, I'm going to open this already, right, Teacher Rexy? So you just need to, my primary tip for that is that most TAs will give you a backgrounder. Let's say I am an IT programmer,
Mhm.
so I'm going to give you an advance notification that the student have this career in blah blah blah, and he's going to enter maybe a new company, and this is what his goals are for this interview.
Okay.
Then you must research ahead. If
Mm,
he
okay.
is if he's going to have a post grad interview with you, then since the one in the teaching material is just like an outline, then you must have some background information about his specialty, programming. Yun ang
Like questions.
pinaka-challenging.
So like questions about programming as well.
Mhm.
Regular interview questions.
Para
Okay po.
makasabay ka kasi kung ang specialty mo, marketing, management, admin,
Mhm.
and then pag sinabakan ka na ng um, terminologies about programming, parang nganga
Mhm.
ka na.
Yes,
Diba?
TM.
Pero
Okay
kung
po.
nag-research ka, at least, well, you can be honest with your student. I'm very
Mhm.
sorry that this is not my specialty. If you can, I mean, if you have maybe a material, you can send through TA, and then they can check it because bawal, right?
Mhm.
Other materials, they can check it. Then if it's allowed, then we can discuss that. I can view it and prepare for it ahead.
Mhm.
So, mas magandang ganon. You be honest and then mag-suggest ka. Kung meron kang gustong i-discuss and it's not my specialty, please give me time, send me the material ahead, and then I'll make sure to research about it so that during class, we can have a good discussion about it and I can give you a good feedback.
Mhm.
Okay, let's move.
Okay, yes po. So TA's responsibility. Okay.
You know what's the TA's responsibility?
Yes,
What?
TM. to provide students for teachers, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
primarily that's sales and marketing
Mhm.
function.
By the way, TM, iba na ang TA ko dito?
Yes.
Ay, new image
You
na.
will have
Okay.
two sets. You have the one in IELTS and you will have another one in GE. Two
Mhm.
sets.
Okay.
So meaning to say, two different system, two different GCs, two different departments.
Mhm.
Huwag kang malilito.
Okay po.
But basically, yung advice like class remind, it's the same.
Mhm.
So what's the other function of TA apart from being your sales and marketing arm in China?
Okay. So, like for example, if in case that you cannot attend the class, inform TAs right away.
Yeah, so basically
Mhm.
when you have class cancellations, you're saying you must advise in advance so that your student won't feel bad and they will be duly notified. In fact,
Mhm.
in your system, you can write a message to your student, right?
Right.
Kung
Yes
NL
po.
student, you can write a small message so that your student won't feel bad
Mhm.
because some students will be um, booking in advance, so they look forward to your class.
Mhm.
So before I'm pretty sure moving forward, maybe you will have this and that, but please stick to the core. What is it that I need to do before I'd be missing in this class?
Okay po.
Like that. Advise TA, leave a short message in your system for your student so that NL student won't feel bad. They will just um, they were duly notified and then they can just rebook your class.
Okay. Yes po.
What makes a
Mm.
successful EP?
Successful eating if you were able to provide the needs of the student and they were satisfied during your class, it is a possible successful ET.
Okay, and how do you ensure that? What is it? What information you must have in order for you to deliver that
Mhm.
um, objective?
Okay, so every during the lesson, in order for me to see if the student is following, I can ask some questions regarding the topic for me to ensure that the student has understood what we were talking about.
Yes, that's one. What else?
Mm, being friendly to
Yes, what
student.
else? Mm-hmm.
We should make sure that they're comfortable taking the class with us.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. What
So,
else?
like when we were talking about the job interview and post grad interview, how will you ensure that an EP with a student will be successful?
For job interview,
I mean, in general.
in general. Um, I
Example, I'll give you an
Mhm.
example, Teacher Rexy. Let's say this is my message, TA sent it to you. I'm going to, let's say I'm European and I'm going to the US
Mhm.
and I'm there for uh, an expo, a marketing event. So, and I'm going to have an ET class with you. So, during our question and answer at the beginning, what is it that you need to ask me? Leading question na to.
Mhm. Um, yeah, hobbies, information about the customer, the student,
Yes,
sorry.
yes.
Mhm.
So, hobbies, information about the student,
Interest.
primarily, Teacher Rexy, objective. What's your objective? Why did you enroll in my class?
Mhm.
What
I
is
did.
it that I can supply or help you with
Mhm.
so that we can reach your goals? That's the very, very important question. Kasi
Okay.
paano ka tutulong kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto niyang ipatulong sa'yo,
Mhm.
you get it?
Okay.
Paki-earmark 'yon, it's very important.
Great.
Okay, what
Successful
else?
ETs. Will you keep teaching ETs if you have low buying rate? No?
Uh, yeah, no, you won't have, right?
Yes.
Mhm. In fact, 'pag low buying rate ka, magsa-stop ET ka at the same time, possible redemo pa.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Okay. How do TA sell after ETs? Oh, like
Okay.
after the class, ito TM, no?
Okay, after the ET, how do the TA sell?
Okay. I think, um, nakita ko to eh. Like, after the class, they would ask if, how was the class? And afterwards, I think they would be giving like 3 calls to the students.
Yeah. At the
Yeah.
end of your class, teacher Rexy, on the 50th minute, right? The first 5 minutes after
Okay.
your class, that's the time they call. That's why,
Mhm.
that's why there's BSR OT and
Mhm.
completed. Sa GE is completed OT. Pag IELTS is BSR OT.
Mhm.
Why? I mean, why teachers aren't paid when it's OT? It's because in that period, at the end of the ET, they call the student. Another question is, how come, okay, since the teacher hasn't completed yet, why can't they call maybe after an hour or two? They can't
Mhm.
because there's loads of students lined up and they have to work like clockwork. They have to be efficient. So that's why all of the teachers are trained to complete in this period. Because
50th.
at the end of the EP, in this 5 minute period, they need to call and confirm whether they will buy your class
Mhm.
or not.
Okay. I
That's the
see.
reason. Okay, next.
Okay. So what is the possible complaints you may have in the future class? Okay. Alam na alam ko to.
Possible complaints,
Yes.
primarily for GE, class notes and not enough feedback.
Mhm.
Class
Okay.
notes is because, let's say, role play. Eh di
Right.
teacher, ikaw, si Boka ka, right? Ang ganda ng usapan nyo. But then, maybe during the course of our conversation, example, I'm your student, and you will say, no, 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 you didn't say it correctly. So, binoka ko lang sa'yo. I just said it to you.
Mhm.
So, my correction was just verbal. But you did not reflect in the class notes. So, ako na student mo, I'm still confused. Because class notes is primarily for me to review what happened in the class, what was the conversation, and the class notes is supposed to aid me. Like, okay, how do I say that? Teacher Rexy left this with me during the time that we're talking about this role play, when we're talking about business and all that. I should say it this way. You said it, student, like this. Correction in Teacher Rexy, it should be like this.
Mhm. Okay.
Yun yung class notes.
Right.
So primarily, that's the feedback, because teacher would just correct in a verbal way. There
Mhm.
are no class notes or less class notes.
Okay.
Or yung mga evaluation na review here, sinabi lang hindi sinulat. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, okay during your demo, put sentences,
Mhm.
bug phrases.
Right.
And then you must also highlight tong very important, maybe new expressions, highlight, ganon. So, and then you can say, okay, Mary, I highlighted for you what you need to remember. These are natural expressions related to our topic tonight.
Right.
Para naman ako, pag tinignan ko yung class notes na galing kay Teacher Rexy, this is the one that Teacher Rexy told me.
Mhm.
What else?
Okay. Yes. Attitude, alam ko yon. And,
Shoot, Diyos ko. Teacher Rexy nakadalawa ka na.
yes
Pag
po.
pangatlo, bingo na. Wag na
Okay.
bibinggo, ha?
Yes, TM.
Mm.
So, what is about I think yun. Yeah, nagkaano na ako for class notes. What else pa ba?
Ito very frequent. Yung merong nag let's say, ito nangyari na kasi, dry yung lips.
Mhm.
Naglagay ng kung ano, akala nagli-lipstick si teacher. Or tumingin sa baba, akala nagtitingin si teacher sa cellphone. Or lumingon-lingon, akala teacher is not concentrated.
Yeah,
Mga
okay.
small things that sayang eh. Like you, full-time teacher, 205. Tapos dahil lang dun sa small issue, because teacher isn't concentrated. Yun nga nakita mo yung pinadala ko kahapon, yung kay
Yes,
Teacher
TM.
Justine.
Yes po.
Ang nangyari doon, may nakaapak sa cable ni Teacher Justine.
Mhm.
So nawala siya, di ba? So nag-connect siya sa other internet niya. Very efficient si Teacher Justine. But then the problem is, ang negative feedback is teacher was chatting. Siyempre, naapakan yung internet niya eh. Di, siyempre, nasa class na siya. May sinabi siya, but then it wasn't in the recording. So, very cool nga si Teacher Justine kasi parang ngumiti lang siya konti. Do you know that valid by QC?
Mhm. Yes,
Nakakainis. Pero
right.
wala akong magawa. Kasi, based on the recording, lahat napapansin.
Mhm.
You know? So, pati yung konting ngiti na tumingin siya or something, valid.
Mm,
Kaya be careful. Pag
okay.
lalo na yung student mo, parang bad trip, serious, huwag ka nang gumawa ng kahit na ano pa. Kasi naka-video.
Okay. So, okay. Eto TM numbers ha. Ano tong if you want to ask for par rise, what are the four data that the management evaluates your
Number,
performance?
dear, number. Which one?
So, number 7.
Ah, well, number one, attendance. Kaya nga
Okay.
kayo may, ano, di ba, attendance bonus because we want you to be there. You open your schedule, be there.
Mhm.
That's attendance. Buying rate.
Okay.
So if your foundation is good, almost automatically your buying rate is there because you're good.
Okay po.
You know how to operate with the system, blah, 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 buying rate. What else? Free sched. Like now, as a full-time teacher, you're supposed to open 6 days a week. And now there's a new announcement. You need to be available at what time? Evening
Uh,
schedule.
within 9 hours in a day, and for nighttime, it should be at least 3 hours.
At least 3 hours from what time?
7 to 11 or 12.
7 to 12. Mamili ka
Mhm.
na doon.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the free schedule. And there's another one, buying rate cancellations.
Mhm.
Cancellations are
Cancellation.
measured, right? So
Okay
that's
po.
why when I do my data, makikita mo doon yung buying rate cancellations, I always give you that information.
Mhm.
Because let's say your buying rate is 100, but your attendance is lousy. You have a lot of cancellations. Do you think it will work?
Yeah, no.
It won't, right? Because ang galing mo nga, pero at the last minute nagka-cancel ka. Or hindi nga last minute, ang dami naman, you know?
Mhm.
It doesn't work because your student will be looking forward to your class, especially in it can be in IELTS because it's going to be their IELTS exam. So kailangan kanila may date eh. Or mga post-grad interview or yung iba talagang they really love to study. You know, Chinese
Mhm.
love to study. In fact, may mga iba dyan, 2 hours.
Right, yeah, pansin ko din po.
Mm, that's it.
Question lang.
Mm,
For the buying rate ng GE, is it same with
same,
the IELTS? Okay.
same. Anything else?
Okay, next one po. So, down, down. Okay na po yan. Rewards. Yeah. Salary incentives tong number one, TM, di ba yung answer dito?
Mm.
Is it wrong? Number two, is it wrong? Is it right or wrong? Any cancellation on teachers and leads deduction?
So any
Yes.
cancellation, does it all lead to deduction?
Yes po.
Actually, no,
Ah?
not all. I'll give an example. Let's say now is 12/12, right? And
Mhm.
on Saturday, I have something.
Mhm.
It's the schedule of my father's blah 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 or whatever.
Mhm.
Um, what you need to do? What do you need to do if you have a very special uh activity on Saturday?
File a leave.
Yes, you file a leave,
Uh,
inform me,
inform
and this is the
TE.
nature of the leave, and then I've already filed it. Check if it's already approved. Check in your system if it's already well, of course, pag approved na, tsaka mo pwedeng i-close. Hindi pwedeng before ka mag-file ng leave, naka-close na. May inis
Mm,
na ako noon kasi nga hindi pa nga approve yung leave mo, naka-close na.
I
Eh,
see. Okay.
there's a time that you need to free your schedule. It means you have to plan ahead, right?
Okay.
In as much as you naman napaplan naman. Of course, may mga, ang nature is emergency. Pero, pagka yung mga napaplan naman, pwede naman. Mag-file ka
Mhm.
ahead sa system. And
Alright.
then, pag the time ng, before the cutoff, usually mga 3 days or 5 days before the cutoff, you can ask me, is it already, are we going to file the cancellation dispute ang tawag?
Mhm.
Diba nagsisend ako ng anyone who has cancellation disputes, please send to me. So ang mangyayari doon, let's say typhoon, may announcement ang area na there's this and that. Let's say landslide, ganyan. Announcement ng area, may cancellation ka, sasabi mo sa akin kung ET or NL, class ID, ano ba yung tag? TNC, TEC, wag tab. Tab, wala talagang meron kang penalty nun pag tab. At saka,
Ay. Mhm.
papasok na yun sa ano mo, sa data mo. Bakit ganun? Wala kang notification.
Mhm.
Like last time, right?
Right.
That's
Pero
bad.
TM, pansin ko lang, every time, di ba, kunwari, pag ako nagka-cancel ako before, kahit more than 6 hours, natatag pa rin siya as TEC.
Pagka ganun, sabihin mo sa TA mo, TA, I
Mm.
have canceled this 6 hours ahead. So this should be TNC, not TEC. May mga
Mm.
iba rin na tag na, let's say, nagklase ka na, right?
Yes po.
Maybe 5 minutes has passed or already you are there in class. Tapos biglang sasabihin ni TA mo, student cannot make it, blah, blah, blah. So SNC the class, no. That's SEC. Kasi
Mhm.
SNC is ahead.
Right.
Hindi ka pa nagka-class. Pero pag nagka-class ka na, you should be compensated. SEC, Student Emergency Cancel.
Mhm. Okay po.
So kailangan, teacher, alam mo rin ang mga rules.
Mhm.
You cancel ahead para kung meron ka mang cancellation, napakaliit lang, 0.2 lang pag
Mhm.
TNC. Huwag mo nang paabutin ng tab.
I see. Okay po. So, yeah, regarding that, okay na ako dun. What are the situations of TNC or TAC can be waived? Still, leave to, di ba, TM? Number 4?
Um, pag hindi ka nag-leave, di matatag ka na, hindi, actually, pagka nag-leave ka, matatag ka ng PNC or TEC, di ba?
Mhm.
Pero
Yes.
mawe-waive siya if it's a valid excuse. Let's
Okay.
say typhoon.
Okay, I see.
So, nasa pag-uusap actually natin yan eh. Let's
Mhm.
say, meron kang talagang emergency, di ba, you remember, tinakbo ka ata sa hospital,
Yes, TM.
nawala ka, Actually, yon pwede mong mapakiusap sa akin provided you have some supporting documents
Okay.
na paano ka naman makakapag-file ng leave kung tinakbo ka nga sa ospital.
Mhm.
So, sasabihin mo yun sa akin, eto yung hospitalization ko or yung ano ko sa doctor, and then depende kasi inform ka rin sa office yun.
Mhm.
Then 'pag okay, you can.
Okay po.
Basta gano'n, yung nature na talagang tinakbo ka sa hospital,
Mhm.
that can be waived.
Okay.
Or siguro yung nag-landslide, paano ka naman makakapag-file ng leave, nag-landslide,
Mhm. Right.
you get it? Yung mga gano'ng nature.
Okay. How can you check that your schedule is booked or not? Check on the website, also check on the emails. Number 5, tama?
Yes.
Hmm?
If let's say, 2:01 ngayon, anong time mo puwedeng i-check na walang papasok, sa 2:30?
Mga 2:05, 2:10?
Ah, well, puwede, pero kasi 'pag 2:05, 2:10 ta's hindi mo na iche-check,
Mhm.
meron pang papasok yon, puwedeng pumasok na ENEL ng before 2:30 because the
So
ENEL students can come in every 30 minutes.
okay. Mhm.
So, dapat i-check mo yon ng ano, on the 29th or on the
Okay.
30th to make sure wala talagang papasok. Otherwise,
Mhm.
kung talagang hindi mo ma-attend yun, aba, i-close mo. I-close mo, inform your TA, "TA, I'm going to close my 1 hour slot because," give a valid reason. And then
Mhm.
I will just add later or tomorrow extra time to compensate on my closing of free sched today. Ganun.
Ay puwede yun, TM?
Oh,
Like for example, kunwari ang binuksan ko lang ngayon is 4 hours. It should be 9. I-a-add up ko yung 5 hours the next day?
yes, yes. As long as you comply with the evening.
Mhm.
Yung evening dapat meron kang 3 hours doon.
Okay po.
So, ikaw mo, ano ka, kunwari peak season 9 hours, yung deficit mo, i-add mo dun, add on mo is, or i-distribute mo in several days. Pwede.
Oh, okay.
As long as yung cutoff, di ba may announcement ako sa cutoff?
Yes, TM.
4 weeks.
Mhm.
Yun yun.
Okay po.
Pwedeng,
I see.
basta yung sum is pasok sa 192 or pag
And
peak time, dagdag ka ng 1 hour each day.
as long as nakabukas yung peak time ng 7 to 10?
Not just that, kasi bukas ka ng peak time, three
Mhm.
hours minimum, bukas ka rin ng requirement mo as full-time.
Okay.
Mm. Ngayon, kung magko-close ka due to whatever, inform your TA, inform me as well, tapos i-spread out mo yon sa ibang days.
Hmm,
Or
I see.
puwedeng kumpletuhin mo yun sa isang weekend, gano'n,
Right.
na day off mo, puwede rin.
Kasi actually ang ginagawa ko TM, nagbubukas na ako ng as early as 9 para kung just in case na may kailangan akong gawin the afternoon, at least na-compensate ko na dun sa morning na kahit walang pumasok. Puwede yun, 'di ba?
Puwede, as
Mhm.
long as yun nga, nag-comply ka dun sa evening.
Yes po. Okay.
Hmm.
So, ito, how should I okay, what should I do? Number 6, okay na po yun. Is deduction 80 cancellation and allowance? I know. Number 7, no.
So, my question is, let's say you have an emergency,
Mhm.
pero what should you do? Primarily, what should you do apart from advising TA and TM? What else in your system? Ano pang
Yeah.
gagawin mo?
Cancel the class, inform the student.
Yeah, cancel the class. So kung ENEL, pwede naman mag-leave ka ng message doon,
Mhm.
inform TA and TM, right?
Right.
Pagkatapos nun, minsan hindi yon nagko-close. Since you manually opened it, you have to manually close it.
Okay.
Like for instance, kunwari nag-file ka ng leave, tapos
Mhm.
approve na. Eh kung hindi mo feeling mo yung araw na yon free ka na, no, you have to close
Mhm.
your schedule. Kasi manual mo binukas eh. Sara
I
mo
see.
rin.
Okay, yes po.
Hmm.
Okay. Ay, ito lang TM, deduction ng ET. How much ang deduction ng ET pala?
Nasa 4 something, 450 ba?
Oh.
Nandun yun sa ano ko eh, iba-iba ang rate ng tab. Pag tab,
Mm.
no advice, I think nasa 400 something. Pag tech, 250. Pag TNC, mas mababa pa. That's why, lalo na ang ET, pag binigyan ka ng ET, umattend ka na lang.
Mhm. Okey po.
Kung let's say talagang ewan yung internet mo, let's say that day, backup mo ganun din nagkasabay, minsan nangyayari. Pumunta ka na lang dun sa ano mo, relative mo, para matapos mo yung ET. Then close the others or cancel the others
Mhm.
if it's really bad. Pero kung lahat ng book ma-attendan mo, it's better.
Okey.
Hmm. Meron ka bang power backup?
Yung laptop ko TM,
Yung
parang
battery,
yes,
right?
every time na ano naka-charge siya ng battery.
Oo. Nakabili ka na ba ng extra battery?
Actually, I have 4 na po.
Okay, how about your internet? What's your backup
Ah,
internet?
the converged one. So, since may access ako actually near lang yung house, so yung cable lang mas pinahabaan ko para just in case na ano, puwedeng i-connect agad dun sa router nila.
Okay, so kapitbahay.
Yes po.
Okay. Anything else?
Okey naman na po 'to, TM.
Etong number 8.
Oh, failed trial back. What is your goal of buying rate during the first week of
Do you know
teaching
what it
here?
means by fail trial black? Trial yan hindi trail.
Trail? Trial?
Oh,
Yung feeling
failed
ko
trial.
yung unang call pa lang ayaw na ni student?
No. Failed trial is didn't work, right? Hindi nag-enroll.
Okay.
Failed trial black is when there's no decision yet.
Hmm,
So pwedeng hindi nag-turn down, but
hindi
maybe the
rin.
student isn't ready to purchase the course yet,
Hmm,
maybe later, or
okey,
whatever reason that we don't know. Kaya fail trial black, no
okey po,
decision.
okey. So,
What else?
what is your goal of buying rate during the first week of teaching here? Oh,
What's your goal?
25
Ah,
agad?
pagka magse-set ka ng goal, yun lang ba requirement? I
I
mean,
mean, first week.
what's your goal? I mean, when you, nakita mo naman yung BE demo mo, right? Mataas ang score mo.
Yes po.
Will you just aim for 25?
Ay no, kasi ang
Requirement lang?
pagkakaintindi ko is the first week TM kasi.
On the first week. I mean,
Yes
what
po.
about for the first month, your
For
first 3 months?
siguro TM manageable sa'kin ang 30.
30, I think if you got a 90 plus for business English, and then I haven't seen the file of your general English, but basically GE is easier as compared to business. So
Yes.
meaning to say, had you maybe it's a timing that you had a problem. I haven't seen it. I think you can easily get 50 up.
Hmm, okey po.
If you've seen Teacher Cheryl,
Mhm.
at the beginning, ano siya, it was maybe 20% full, naging 30%, hanggang sa siguro within the week or next week, fully booked na siya.
I see.
Hmm.
Okay.
By the way, yung team natin sa GE usually have a good feedback when it
Mhm.
comes to performance.
Okay.
So some of the GE teachers in our team already are evaluator.
Okay po.
So basically, what I'm trying to say is you have a good training, Teacher Rexy.
Mhm.
So you have the potential to be one like that.
Mhm.
Okay, what else?
Okay po. So okey naman na po ako dito sa part na 'to, TM.
Okay, here.
Yeah. Can teachers know every student's feedback? What do you okay. Na parang nabasa ko 'to is parang ask the TM.
Um, Actually, I also don't know the feedback, but you will be assigned a TA.
Mhm.
So sometimes some teachers that are good, they are directly contacted by their main TA. Kasi sa GE may main TA, tapos may mga iba. I mean, there's a TA leader. So, i-assign ko sa iyo yung TA leader, tapos every time ka magtatag sa GC mo, itatag mo yung main TA mo. Right?
Okay.
So, pwede kang magtanong ng feedback dun sa TA. And they usually, pag magaling si teacher, talagang closer ang relationship sa GE ng teacher and TA.
I see.
Because primarily, the the teacher will be receiving ETs from TAs mainly because the TA trusts the teacher
Mhm.
and the capabilities. Kaya merong profile, right? Profile and yung mga features. So, minamatch talaga nila yan.
Okay.
So, nangyayari dyan, pwede nang nag-uusap si TA tsaka si teacher. You can get feedback. But
Okay.
pumapasok lang ako pagka, let's say, sa GE, mga teachers ang nagsasabi, I cannot anymore kasi madami talaga
Mhm.
if you're good.
I
So
see.
what happens is, pag si teacher ayaw tumanggap ng student or ganyan-ganyan, nagsasabi sa akin si TA. Ako ngayon papasok, kakausapin ko si teacher. So, I mean, depende sa what's the reason of TA or teacher, then I will
Mhm.
try to find a resolution between the two.
Mhm.
So you can meet halfway.
Okay.
Okay, next.
So, how can you NTM check whether you're doing a good job on ETs? Buying rate,
By rate
school feedback.
feedback, yes.
So next, how would you teach if you have an NL class of which the student you never met before? Ay, parang sa ano to, TM? Parang IELTS lang din.
Mm, yeah,
Maano?
parang IELTS lang din. You
Okay.
must do the warm up
Yeah.
and yeah, you have to ask the objective.
Right.
Like, oh, I understood that you probably came from another teacher. So may I know what's your language goal so that I can help you better
Okay.
than maybe your former teacher, or maybe that student is keeping maybe 2 to 3 teachers.
Okay.
So yon, alamin mo yon,
Right.
language goals.
Okay. What can you do to keep NL students come back to book your slots all the time? Okay. Make them feel comfortable and make them realize that you're really helpful for their language goals.
Yes, yes. So also some students will just want to have free talk with you, or will just have someone to speak with
Okay.
in the language. So pwedeng ganon, but at the same time, you must still correct, even if it's a free talk, and then get the opportunity every time you can introduce some natural expressions.
Okay.
They love that. Or
Mhm.
any related terminologies.
Mm.
They like that.
So parang ano lang, additional of advanced words, parang ganon.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
just you enrich their vocab.
Mhm. Okay.
Mm.
So is it possible that the teacher has undesirable buying rate, have many NLs booking? How? Possible if their ETs are booking a lot of NLs,
Uh,
more than an hour,
this
you
one is
know.
a little tricky because basically, if you have a lot of NLs, then wala nang makakapasok na EPs. Basically,
Mm-mm.
papasok na lang yan 1 or 2 or 0.
Mhm.
So 0% ka sa EPs yan. Pero
Okay.
since como marami kang NL, it's because of that. Wala na
Right.
makapasok, syempre.
Mhm. Okay. I
Okay,
see.
there are many tabs here, right? Tapos
Right.
na yan. Teacher's profile, ginawa na natin to,
Mhm.
right? Tapos ET checklist. So make sure baka pag-introducein ka niya, interaction, remember delayed feedback, and have
Right.
class notes. Yeah,
Mhm.
and then remember, pag nag-start ka, yung ending is what was the language goal and na-achieve nyo ba yun? Di
Mhm.
ba ganon? So,
Right.
ito na yung scoring niya. VUV test, alam mo na yung VUV, right?
Okay, yes po.
Ito yung quality check niya. ET checklist is the guideline that you had.
Mhm.
Wala na tong ano, kayang-kaya mo na yan. Good
Okay.
luck.
Q&A lang 'to, TM 'no?